Welcome to TDS Online Maths. Now just pause the video and give this question a try. Given 7 to the power x plus 1 equals to 2401. Okay. So given 7 to the power x plus 1 equals 2401. It's not all that difficult. Now let's follow the steps. Okay. Remember, the left hand side is behaving like this: t to the power x plus 1, which is the same as t to the power x times t to the power 1, which is the same as t. So we can write this as 7 to the power x times 7 to the power 1. Okay. All right. So equals to 2401. Okay, so from here we can divide both sides by 7. Remember, this one is the same as 7, so this one will cancel, and 7 into 2401, calculator, 343. So we have 7 to the power x equals to 343. Now, is this number divisible by this 7? Yes. So 7 times 7, 49 times 7 will be 343. So from here you can see 7 to the power x equals to 7 to the power 3. Now, since the bases are equal, my x is straight away 3. Okay. Those who would like to take log on both sides, if you want to take log on both sides from here, you can say, if you want to apply logarithm here, you can say log 7 to the power x, okay, 343. Okay, so from here x log 7 is the same as log 343. So x log 7 equals to, so we can write this one as log 7 to the power 3, since 7 to the power 3 is the same as 343. Let's divide both sides by log 7. Log 7. This one will cancel. And remember, we have the numerator as 3 log 7 on log 7. So guess what? This one will cancel. So my x is straight away 3. Okay, that's the answer. All right.